Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know down in the comment section below. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be using some Saviland acrylic powders. These are their spring acrylics right here. Some gorgeous colors. $21.99 on Amazon right now. You guys can go check it out. They are 0.35 ounces. The cool thing about today's video is I'm going to do a technique that my friend Tia, check her out, Tia Bella Beauty here on YouTube. She has been using the regular foil glue, not a gel foil glue, just a regular foil glue as a peel off method to peel off the nails when you're finished. That way I don't have to do the nail guards, I don't have to do a gel peel off base, you know, and you guys know the oil didn't work. I am going to also be using my Nail Couture DIY gel to apply my Nail Couture 5XL square nails. I have an update, you guys. He is coming out. He has decided to come out with 5XL coffin. So he said those will be coming out eventually. Also, I do have some exciting news. I am an ambassador now for Nail Couture. So if any of you buy anything from Nail Couture, you're welcome to use my 10% off discount code. But what you're going to do if you're wearing gel tips is you're going to go ahead and prime these. I went ahead and buffed the surface shine. And now you're going to go in with your primer. Even if it is pre-etched, I still advise to go in with primer and prime the underside of the nail. And then you're just going to lay it down and let that dry. You're going to do that with all your nails. Of course, you're going to prep your own nails. Dehydrate, prime, base coat. I am actually going to go in with the Star Glue. This is a foil glue. Like I said, not a gel foil glue. Just a regular foil glue. And when this dries, it will dry clear. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the foil glue to all my nails. Alright, so after you've applied your foil glue, go ahead and let that dry. I'll be using another transfer foil by ToBeGlam. This is another one of their kits. This is the second kit that they have on their website. Also, you can use my 10% off on their website. This one comes with two foil glues, gel foil glues, and 10 different like animal prints. The foils that you will get. After the foil glue is dry, I am going to go ahead and go in with a base coat, my ToBeGlam base coat. So you guys know the drill, from cuticle to free edge. Put on your base right over the top of the foil glue. Alright, go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds in your light. Alright, now you're going to start applying your tips. I have to say I love the DIY gel. Someone asked me if you could actually lay it on the nail and let your finger up. And remember, you don't need a whole lot of this gel. A little goes a very long way. You may need a little bit more if you have a sculpted nail. 45-degree angle. Press it onto your nail. Now with these, I don't think I'm going to be able to lift up, because they've got such a sharp curve that I've got to hold it down. So once you have it, go ahead and cure. Now I did get a burning. I did just get burning on this one. Last time I used it, I did not get any burning, but I got it on my skin. So that sucks. That hurt. Ouch. I hate when it burns. Go ahead and press down, and then once you get right there, just kind of like tap, tap, tap till it gets all the way to your free edge, and then cure that. And again, I got burning. Holy shit. I don't know why it's burning so bad this time, guys, but it is. Just want to let you know. Like, it's seriously burning. But you know what? If you want beautiful nails. Alright, one more time. 45 degrees. Press, 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 press. Push, push, push. See how that went right up there like that? And yes, I will say the DIY gel is a lot easier to use. Like, it's really easy. All you got to do is like just press it a little bit and it'll just go right on up. Now what you can also do is you could put gel on the nail and then put the DIY gel in. It's totally up to you how you want to apply it. Press, 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 press. Super quick, super easy. Look at those babies. Look at those babies. Oh, I love them. $45. I'm gonna let go. Okay. It's still sticking. Push, 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 push. Till it gets all the way. I'm gonna clean up. I gotta clean up a little bit around my cuticle. I'm just gonna take my finger. You're not supposed to do that. So, yeah. I don't advise you to do what I do sometimes. Now that you have them on, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my ToBeGlam transfer gel foil gel. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start here and I'm just gonna bring it down the nail. But kind of make sure it's even. Well, or do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure it's not too runny. I'm just pulling some more off of the thumb. Now you're going to go ahead and do a 60-second cure. Oh, you're going to take the foil there and pull it over. And you're just going to rub that in there. Ooh, look, it worked. It worked. Okay. Okay, put it on the nail. Rub it in. This stuff is sticky. This foil glue is sticky. It works great. So yes, it does need to be cured for 60 seconds to get a really good transfer. So I'm kind of like just wrapping it around the nail. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go. Oh, I like it. I like it. And I'm going to use I'm not going to use my regular foil this time. I'm going to use my gel foil for the acrylic. So what you're going to do from right there. So you're going to put the foil glue on the rest of the nail, stopping a little further, I think, than the foil. Maybe a little further than that. That way it kind of covers that line. Gonna go ahead and tap that on there. Let that soak in. And then we will cure it in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the nails. Go ahead and cure that. We'll see what it looks like, and if we have to, we'll go over it with one more layer of the acrylic. Okay, once it's out of the light, go ahead and take your brush and gently brush away any excess dust, any excess acrylic, like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one more coat, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, I wanted to come on and show you the last two of me doing a second coat. So you're just going to take the foil glue, you're going to go right over the top of what you already have. Go ahead and sprinkle that on. Let it soak in real good. Tap it off. I also want to say that this acrylic kit will be in my 50K giveaway. Alright, tap it off. Now, 60-second cure. Second coat looks much, much better. Once you get to this point, buff the acrylic nice and smooth, not too harsh. Just like if you have any lumps or bumps, let's just go ahead and get rid of any of those. Clean up the edges. File. Make sure everything looks nice. You're going to want to clean around your cuticle if you have anything around your cuticle area. Go ahead and clean that up. Alright guys, my friend Chris sent me this. Don't know where she got it. It's like silver, like, I don't know, an embellishment for doing crafts and stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting it, and it's going to lay right across where the acrylic meets the foil. I'm going to use the Dead Gal glue I got from Amazon. I'll leave you guys a link for this. We're going to see how well this works. I think I'm going to just put it right here, right where they meet. There we go. I got it. And then when I butt the top coat up to it, it'll help secure that. So I'm going to cut each one individually. I take my rhinestone glue, and I'm going to put a dot at the cuticle on all the nails. So from this to, look how cute, I am going to put a dot there, dot there. Okay, so we go from the dots to, alright guys, I have one more to do. Rhinestone glue right in front of the heart. So now it's going to go from this to that. Look at those. Tell me what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and just top coat my free edge here. Top coat the foil. That's also going to seal in these stones, or this stuff here. Alright, we got the ToBeGlam No Wipe top coat on. Let me go ahead and cure that really quick. I'm going to take my Velvet Matte from Nail Couture, and we are going to attempt to top coat the acrylic. I'm just going to be careful. So once I get this part done, I will be back. Once it is matte top coated on the acrylic part, go ahead and do a 60-second cure. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with my Macart cuticle oil. Rub that around real good. ToBeGlam foil. Like I said, I have 10% off ToBeGlam. And if I get a code for this acrylic set, you guys will be the first to know. Let me know what you guys think. Look at that C curve. I freaking love them. I'm definitely going to rock these all day. I don't want to take them off. But I will come back when I get ready to pop these off to see if they will pop off with the foil glue. So don't forget, we will be right back. Alright you guys, it's been a few hours. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these nails off. I'm hoping. at that. Doesn't damage the nail. Wow. Incredible. I could actually put that back on if I wanted. So, you got to give it a little tug. It does take a little finessing. Oh shit. Oh my God, Tia. I think you're onto something, girl. I think you're onto something. And you know what? I was able to file and buff them and everything without them actually falling off like they do when I have nail guards on. Holy shit. Girl, this works. Nails are still fine. Nothing wrong with them. Nothing's peeling. You do, like I said, got to get up under there, but as soon as you get up under there, they just come right off. Wow. Incredible. Ah! But, wow, great way to do a set of nails and have them just peel right off. So, huge shout out to Tia. Go check out her channel. Like I said, I'm going to list it down below. Definitely would mean a lot to me. Let her know that I sent you over there. She does amazing videos. Her edits are amazing. You're going to love her. So, I really, really like this set. I think they look great. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know down in the comment section below. Up for Saviland acrylics. I do like these acrylics. They're very thin and they're really nice to work with as like a dip powder. Got to give thumbs up to ToBeGlam foils. They work fabulous. Absolutely loving this foil glue. It's very sticky. Works very well. But anyway, guys, I'll let you go. I've talked your ears off. Love you all. God bless. Bye for now.